This is the Samsung wireless charger. This wireless charger from Samsung will work with the S6 Edge, S6 Edge Plus, S6, S6 Active, and Note 5, and it'll also work with the Note 4. The only phone that needs a different back is the Note 4. The Note 4 does not work with this wireless charger out of the box, so you will need to buy a special back for your Note 4 if you want to use this charger with the Note 4. Now here's what it looks like. It's just a small hockey puck on the bottom of the wireless charger. It does have a micro USB port. You just run a micro USB port from the wall to this, and it should charge your phone wirelessly. Now Samsung has also made a fast wireless charger for the newer phones like the Note 5 and the S6 Edge Plus, because those actually use fast wireless charging, and Samsung claims you can get up to 2 hours of battery with the fast wireless charger on the Note 5 and S6 Edge Plus. But the one you're looking at is just the standard wireless charger, and this does light up. The white clear part of the actual charger does light up, and it'll tell you when your phone's done charging or when it's still charging and things like that. This is a glossy material, and as you can see, there is a lot of fingerprints on here. This thing is a fingerprint magnet. The nice thing about this charger is it does have a silicone ring around it, so it'll make it less slippery when you put your phone on it. Your phone shouldn't be sliding around. Same thing with the bottom. It does also have a grip on the bottom, a silicone ring on the bottom, so it won't let this thing slide around on a table or on a desk and things like this. Now, one thing I have found wrong with this charger is you have to put your phone kind of in the middle of this charger. You really can't be off-centered or it will not charge your phone. That's one flaw with this. It has to be kind of centered when you put this thing on. So say for instance, you're coming home from school, you're coming home from work, you're coming home from wherever, and you just drop your phone on this charger. It may not charge your phone, and that could be a problem, especially when you're going to sleep right after you drop your phone on this, like from a hard day's work, and you want to lay down for the night, and you pop this on, and then when you wake up in the morning, your phone's not charged because you didn't put this right in the middle or somewhere near the middle. So be aware that when you do use this, your phone does have to be somewhere in the middle. Now, the biggest flaw I have with this is it will not charge my phone. So this is a fail on Samsung's part. I did look this up on the internet, and some people were having the same problems as me. The problem I'm having is I am using a clear case on my Note 5, and it will not charge my Note 5. I can drop my Note 5 on here and it'll start charging, but then in about 10 or 15 minutes it'll stop charging. It could be due to the case on here. I do have the thinnest and I do have a clear case on here. So if you're going to be using the wireless charging pad from Samsung, I highly recommend not using a case on your phone, because that could make the signals not as strong as if you were not using a case. So I would recommend not using a case when you use that. But so far I have not got this to work, and I guarantee you a lot of people buying this is probably gonna have a case on their phone or some kind of protection on their phone. So this will probably not work. Another thing with this is, like I said, this is the standard charging wireless charger from Samsung, and it charges your phone very, very, very slow. So if you're a person that doesn't got a lot of time to wait, I would not recommend picking this up, because it does take about 2 to 3 hours for your phone to charge. And with the charger that comes with your Note 5 or S6 Edge Plus, you will be able to charge your phone in an hour and a half with the charger that came in the box. But with this thing, it will take 2 to 3 hours. But like I said, they do make a quick wireless charger for the Edge Plus and the Note 5. Overall, for 50 bucks, is this worth your money? This is worth your money if you don't have a case on your phone and you're a person that charges your phone at nighttime. If you're charging your phone at nighttime and you're going to be sleeping and waking up, then this won't be a problem, because as you're sleeping, it'll be charging the phone and you really won't have a problem. I actually do like this charger. I wish it would work with cases on, but unfortunately in my testing it won't work with cases on. You may actually be able to make this work with your case on, but I couldn't make it work with my case on. But I did get this for free for buying my Note 5, so it's not really a loss to me. But anyway, these are just my thoughts on the Samsung wireless charging pad, and peace out. I'll see you guys later in my next video. I'm out.